Hello viewers, this is Mr. David Adebanjo. Today I will be taking you through one of the Olympiad questions. Sit back and relax and put your comment section as regards this question in the comment box. We're solving equation that we have on the screen, and then looking at the left hand side, you should be able to tell that is a perfect square, which can be expressed as x plus 2 into x plus 2. When you open up this, that is exactly what you're going to get. And then on the right hand side, you see have the equation x squared plus 3x minus 6. On the left hand side, you can reduce it to this form: x plus 2 all squared equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6. And therefore, when you take square root of a number, you have the understanding that it will lead you to plus or minus. And that is plus or minus x plus 2 equal to, you have x squared plus 3x minus 6. And then we're going to break this equation into two parts. And the first part is working with the positive side, which will lead us to a positive answer. And that is x plus 2 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6. Or working with the negative, which is negative x plus 2 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6. So these are the two different equations. And before you go further, you must have the understanding that the first one will take you to a negative solution, while the other side will take you through a negative solution. So if you open up and then expand and simplify, rather, you have x plus 2 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6. On the other side, you have minus x minus 2 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 6. Then taking positive 2 and also positive x to the other side will lead to an expression like this: x squared plus 3x minus x minus 6 minus 2. And these, you do the same thing. Take minus 2 and minus x to the other side. And that will leave you with x squared plus 3x plus x. When the sign crosses equal sign, the sign will change. You have minus 6, then plus 2. When a negative 2 crosses equal sign, to change. And simplifying further, you have x squared plus 2x minus 8. Then on this side, you have x squared plus 4x, then minus 4. Then you solve this respectively again. If I solve what I have on this other side, I can use two methods, either formula method or completing the square method. I can't factorize this, it's not factorizable. So let's use completing the square. So if you equate this to 0 and equate this also to 0, first step has been carried out, which is making sure the coefficient of x squared is 1, which is already 1. Then step 2 is to take the constant to the other side. So that's x squared plus 2x equal to 8, or x squared plus 4x equal to 4. Then step 3, 4, 5 together. Step 3, 4, 5. What are the step 3? Half the coefficient of x. Step 4, take the square of your results, then add it to both sides. And that is exactly what I'm going to do now. X squared plus 2x what I'm doing is I'm going to have the coefficient of this x, which is plus 2 divided by 2. That will give me plus 1. Then square it, and that is exactly what you're going to do to the other side. Plus 1 all squared. You will repeat the same process here, so you have x squared plus 4x. What is the coefficient of x here? 4. Half it, you have plus 2. Square it and add it to both sides. So if I add it to both sides, I have 4 plus 2 all squared. And then you can factorize what you have on the left hand side, which is x plus 1 all squared, and simplify what you have on the right hand side. That will give you 8 plus 1. And also here, factorize what is on the left hand side, which will give you x plus 2 all squared. Then simplify what you have on the right hand side, which will give you 4 plus what? 4. Simplify further. You have x plus 1 all squared equal to 9, or you have x plus 2 all squared equal to 8. And you can take the square root of both sides. So if I take the square root of both sides, going to have the first equation, you have x plus just 1. And here you're going to have 3. Notice we said the first face of the equation we have a positive answer. So moving on, you have x plus 2 equal to, you take the negative part of this answer. Square root of 8 is more like square root of 4 times 2. Why square root of 4 is what? 2 root 2. And final answer, you move 1 to the other side, also positive 2 to the other side. And you have x equal to 3 minus 1 here. And this you have what? X. You have x equal to minus 2 root 2. And then you have your final answer ready. Either x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2 root 2. Thank you very much. Go through this again and again. More of this will come in later. Like, subscribe, and like I said, I want to see your comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.